Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics Learn with East. Today we are going to learn about LCM, definition of LCM, LCM by prime factorization method, LCM by division method and short trick for LCM. So what is meant by LCM? LCM stands for lowest common multiple. So what is the definition of LCM? Lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that can be divided by each of the number without leaving a remainder. So I will explain this definition by taking one example. See here question is there, find the LCM of 8, 6, 12 is there. So what we have to do, first we have to, what is here, lowest common multiple of two or more numbers. We have taken here three numbers we have taken. What we want, common multiples we want. So what are the multiples of 8? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, like this dash dash dash, 6 are 7s are 8s are 9s are 10s are up to 11 to we have taken like this. Now next what is the number? 6 number. 6 multiples of 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 8s are 9s are 10s are 11s are 12s are, you can write like this. Next what is the number? 12 is there. Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. Okay, like the 7s are 8s are 9s are, we can take like this. Now what we want, lowest common multiple. Common multiples we have to see first. 8 is there, here 8 is there, here it is there, not there, here also not there. 16, 16 also not there. 24, here 24 is there, here 24 is there and here also 24 is there. Okay, next what is there? 48. See here 48. Okay, again here 6 8s are 6 7 42, 6 8s are 48 will come. Here also 48 and here also 48. But what we want, lowest common multiple. Lowest, what is lowest common multiple means what? Lowest means smallest. Okay, smallest we can say, or we can say least we can say. Okay, the smallest common multiple is what? First common multiple, smallest common multiple is what? LCM equal to 24. Okay, so, this LCM is of which numbers? LCM of 8, 6, 12 equal to 24. What we have to do? First we have to take the multiples of the numbers, and from that numbers we have to take the smallest number, that is which is common. So we are not taking 48, we want the smallest multiple. So 24 is the first smallest multiple of these three numbers. So what we call lowest common multiple equal to 24. So our definition is what? Lowest common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that can be divided each of the number. Each of the number, this smallest number can be divided by each of the numbers. See here 24 is there. By each of the multiple means 8 is there. 8 3s are 24. You will get without leaving a remainder. Remainder is 0. Again next what is there? 6 is there. See if we divide with 6, 24. How much? 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 24, 0. Next what is there? 12. In 12 table how many times 24 will go? 12 2s are 24. 24 minus 24 equal to 0. So LCM equal to what? LCM equal to 24. We have to take the multiples and we have to take the common, and which one is the smallest, which will come first common, that is only the lowest common multiple. Okay, which is equal to 24. Now we have LCM by prime factorization method. Now find the LCM of 8, 24, 36 by prime factorization method. We have to find prime factorization, prime numbers. Prime, already I told you, numbers which have only two factors, one and itself is called prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 dash dash dash. Already I explained in my video what is meant by prime number. Okay, so by prime factorization method means we have to take these numbers and we have to do the LCM. See here we have to find the LCM of 8, 24, 36. Here first what we have to do, we have to take 8. What is 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Why we are not taking directly 4, 4 2s are 8? Why? Because 4 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number. In 2 table 8 will come, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4. Okay, next what is there here? 24. 24, what we have to do? See here, 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, then 2 3s are 6. Next, what is the number? 36. 36, what we have to do? 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, okay, 3 3s are 9. Now we got now all these prime factors. Now we have to write here prime factors. We will call this prime factors. Only prime numbers are there, no? That's why we will call prime factors. Prime factors of, what is it? Prime factors of 8 are what? 2 into 2 into 4. 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry, 2 into 2 into 2. Next, what? Prime factors of 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next, prime factors of 36. Okay, see here, 36 is what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to find what? LCM we have to find lowest common multiple. So what is there here? First, here 2 is common there here, so we will take 1 2 into, again 1 2 is common here, again we will take it as 1 2 into, again here it is also common, here also common, so for this also we can take it as 1 2. Here 3 is there, here is 3 is there, take it as 1 common. Okay, then whatever left, if one number is left, for example here 3 is there, here if it here it and here into 5 is there, so we have to at last whatever left we have to write at last. So into 3 is left here, at last we are writing 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3 are 24, 24 3 are 72. So what is LCM? 72. So prime factorization means what we have to do? We have to do factorization by prime numbers. See here 2 with 2, 3 or 5 or 7 we can do. Okay, after finding these prime factors we have to take the common numbers and whatever it left at last we have to write. Then we have to multiply, we will get the lowest common multiple. So lowest common LCM of 8, 24, 36 is equal to 72. Now we have LCM by division method. Already we have done by prime factorization method, not division method. See here, I have taken the same numbers 8, 24, 36. Okay, see here, in division method all these three numbers we have to take at a time. See here, 8, 24 and 36. Okay, now at a time we have to take all this number in division method. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36. 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 18s are 36. Next at which number? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18. Next which number? See here, this 2 and 6 will come into table but 9 will not come. So what we have to do? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. This 9 write as it is only. Why? Because it will not come into table. Next 3 and 9 will come in 3 table. So what we have to do? 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now what we have to do? We have to write LCM of 8, 24, 36 equal to, what are the factors here? See here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3 are 24, 24 3 are 72. So what we got? 72. See, if we already we have done by prime factorization with the method, we got the same number 72. See here, but by doing with prime factorization method we got 72 only. By doing division method also we got the same number 72. So LCM by division method and prime factorization method we will get same answer. Okay, short trick for LCM. Let us take one number. What is the number? For example, 3 6 12. Okay, we have taken these three numbers. From this number, which is the big one? 12 is the big one. Now we have to see 3 divides 12. Yes, 3 4s are 12. 6 divides 12. 6 2s are 12. So what is LCM? LCM equal to 12. Next we have another number. For example, 8, 24, 36. Already we have taken this same question in prime factorization and division method. Now which is the big number? Here 36 is the big number. Now what we have to do? 8 divides 36? No, 8 4s are 32 is there. Okay, it will not divide. In 24 2s are also 48. It will not divide. Then what we have to do? This big number should be multiplied with 2. 36 2s are 72. So 8 9s are 72 and 24 3s are 72. So what is LCM? LCM equal to 72. This is shortcut method. Prime factorization method and division method, that is lengthy method. If we directly see like this, a short trick method, we have to see the number. If it divides, directly write. If it divides, we have to write directly LCM equal to 12, biggest number. If it is not dividing, we have to multiply that big number, okay, with 2. If it is not going with 2, if it is not going, then 3, 4, 5, like that we have to take. For example, third one is there, say here, okay, 10, 20 and 50 is there. Which is the big number? 50 is the big number. 10 divides 50? No. Yes, 10 divides 50, 10 5s are 50. But 20 will not divide 50. Why? Because 23 is 60 is there. Then what we have to do is 50 multiplied with 2. 50 2s are 100. Then 10 10s are 100. Okay. 25 is 100. So what is the LCM? LCM equal to 100. Next what we have another number, for example 2, 9, 13, 18 is there. Which is a big number? 18. 2 divides 18, yes, 2 9s are 18, 9 2s are 18, but 13 will not divide. 13 is a prime number. So what we have to do? LCM equal to take that prime number into 18. 13 into this prime number into big number. What will get? 13 18s are 234. Now you can check also. See here 3 6 12. Okay, 3 6 12 will come in 3 table. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Next 2 and 4 will come in 2 table. 1 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is LCM? What are the 3 into 2 into 2? 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. We got LCM. So by directly doing shortcut method, we can easily get 12. We got easily 12.
Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, press bell icon and stay connected with Mathematics Learn with Ease. For more interesting videos, like, share and subscribe.